This is how they take boats in the water, and this is the weekend activities in many places. Uh, People have their boats and then they get to water and have some time in the water. These are like the houses, and they have these small places in the water. This is another boat going in. So this looks like a GMC truck. And we'll see how the boat goes in water from here. So here the boat goes. And the boat is in water. Now the truck will be out of the water.
They're gonna wait for their purchase.